Class 9 children. So today we will learn some diagram based questions from the chapter Circle, Circumference and Area. Exercise 17b, page 1711, question number 22. So the figure shows a circle with center at O. You can see a circle in the figure having center as O, and angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. So angle AOB, that means angle O, here it is 90 degree. If the radius of the circle is 40 centimeter, so as you all know, anything uh, passing from the center of the circle and touching the circumference is called radius. So according to this diagram, I can say OA and OB, both of them are radius, and AB will be chord. AB is not radius, it is a chord. Now calculate the area of shaded portion of the circle. So you have to find this area of only shaded portion, not the whole figure, only the shaded portion. You can see little bit on the top here, it is shaded. So pi value here, as per the demand of the question, 3.14 we have to take, not 22 by 7, this time 3.14. So you can see very technical question, but it's a tricky and logical, but little bit you have to think in a very positive way, then the answer is very easy. Now I will just show you, I will show you some hint here. You can see AOB. If you see these three lines, three sides, this will be a triangle, and if it is 90 degree here, then we can say it is a right angled triangle. And if you take this particular portion where AO and OB and this circumference little bit, then it is a quadrant. So if you see these three sides, it is a right angle triangle, and if you take these two sides and if you take this particular boundary, the circumference little bit a small arc AB like this, then it is a quadrant. So what we will do, if I will say area of quadrant minus area of triangle, then the remaining portion will be the area of the shaded region. So I can say area of shaded region is equal to area of the quadrant and minus area of right angled triangle. So that way we have to do. So you can see here radius of the circle or quadrant. Radius of the circle or quadrant, actually both are same. Quadrant is the upper portion, the whole thing is circle. So radius of quadrant is r, small r, and that is 40 centimeter as per the question. And angle AOB is 90 degree given in the question. AOB here, angle O is 90 degree. In right angle triangle AOB, so if you take triangle AOB, perpendicular is OB, because where there is 90 degree, one line is perpendicular and the other line is base. So here OB I have taken as perpendicular and OA I have taken as base, and both of them will be 40. Why? Because radius is 40, that means OB OA, one way they are radius and on the other hand they are the perpendicular and base of the triangle. That means OA and OB they work in two ways, one as radius and one as perpendicular and base. So now area of shaded portion will be area of quadrant minus area of right angle triangle or area of triangle. Area of quadrant, you know, pi r square by 4. At the first day of my video, the first day of my PDF, I have provided you the formula list. You can check. Area of quadrant is this, minus area of right angle triangle is half into base into height or perpendicular. Height and perpendicular both are same. So as pi, as per the question, it is 3.14. So 3.14 pi value into r is radius is 40 into 40 because square is there, divided by 4, minus half into base is 40, perpendicular also is 40. Now we will cancel, 4 tens are 40 and here 2 20s are 40. After cancellation, 3.14 into 40 into 10 is 400, minus 40 into 20 is 800, and if you multiply these two, 1256.00 minus 800, that means this 0.00 has no value. So 1256 minus 800 is 456 centimeter square. So that is the area of shaded portion. Next question. ABCD is a flower bed. So you can see A, B, C, D. That means this shaded portion is a flower bed. This flower bed, that means here some flowers have been planted. Now if OA equal to 21 meter, you can see OA, that means the outer quadrant's radius. OA is the, actually there are two quadrants here. You can see one outer quadrant and one inner quadrant, because one line is in the inside and one line is outside. So one quadrant as outer quadrant and one quadrant as inner quadrant. So OA is the radius of outer quadrant, that is 21 meter, and OC is the radius of inner quadrant. Actually OC is 14, that means OD also is 14, because OC and OD are same. Similarly OA and OB also are same, because they are the radius of same quadrant. So now the question is, here, find the area of the bed. That means bed means find the area of shaded portion, because here bed means flower bed. Only that this portion's area we have to find. So very easy, I can say. What we will do, we will first find the area of the whole quadrant, that is the outer quadrant, minus area of inner quadrant. Everything minus this is this remaining portion. So that particular logic we are going to put here. Radius of outer quadrant, that is capital R, for the bigger quadrant capital R, equal to OB equal to OA, you can see is 21 meter given. Radius of inner quadrant is smaller r, OC equal to OD, you can see OC equal to OD, both are 14 meter. Now the area of the flower bed, or I can say shaded region, area of flower bed or area of shaded region will be equal to area of the outer quadrant, that means the whole quadrant, minus area of inner quadrant. So pi capital R square by 4, because for outer quadrant capital R and for inner quadrant small r. So both formula are same, only r will change. Now put the respective value here. Here pi value as 22 by 7 into r, as you can see capital R is 21 into 21 for r square, and by 4 as per the formula, minus same for pi 22 by 7, and for smaller r is 14 into 14 by 4. Now after cancellation, 7 3 is 21 and 2 11 is 22. So 3 into 21 by 2, and here 7 2 is 14, 2 got cancelled, so 11 into 14. Now if you multiply this both, 693 by 2 minus, if you multiply this both, 154, and if you divide this 693 by 2, our answer is 346.5 minus 154 here. So if you subtract, it is 192.5 meter square. This is our answer. Very easy. Last question. In figure, A, B, C, D are the center of equal circles. So there are 4 circles, and the center of the 4 circles are A, B, C, D respectively. Now which touch externally in pairs, and ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter, and if you join all these centers as AB, BC, CD and AD, then it becomes a square. So 4 circles, and if centers are joined, there is a square having side 14 each, that is side is 14. Find the area of shaded region. So you have to find only the area of this particular middle portion, shaded region. So you can see here, if you check this portion, this ABCD is a square, but if you check these 4 parts, it is a quadrant. This unshaded portion inside, you see, it is a quadrant. So I can say area of this shaded region will be area of the square, that is everything, minus area of 4 quadrant. So that means by that logic we can find the shaded region. And as you know, side of the square is 14. So if you see, this is 14, and if you make it half, that is 7, then this 7 will be the radius of each quadrant. That means the radius of the quadrant will be 7, because everything is 14, and if you take it half, this half will be your radius. So I can say in the solution, side of a square ABCD is AB equal to BC and is equal to 14 centimeter given in the question. Radius of circle or radius of quadrant, both are same. It is half of 14. 14 by 2 equal to 7 centimeters. So the area of shaded region will be area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. So area of square is side square minus 4 quadrants means 4 into area of quadrant. Pi r square by 4. So 4 gets cancelled. So side is 14 into 14. 22 by 7 is the value of pi and r is 7 into 7. 196 minus, after cancellation, 154. 42 centimeter square is our answer. So very logical questions but very easy as well. So children, you prepare such kind of questions, logical questions and very interesting questions. Thank you children.